Your car hesitates, stalls, or guzzles gas. A dirty MAF sensor is often the culprit. Clean it and save hundreds. Symptoms: rough idle, hesitation, bad fuel economy, hard starts. OBD codes: P0101, range, performance, or P0102, low input. Scan it first. Rough idle, hesitation, poor MPG, hard starts. These are classic MAF clues. The MAF measures incoming air for perfect fuel mix. Dirt from dusty roads messes it up. Cleaning fixes most issues before buying a new one. Fast, cheap, effective. Tools: MAF cleaner only. CRC is best. Disconnect battery. Locate the MAF in the intake tube. Unplug the connector. Remove the sensor. Never use brake cleaner. Only MAF cleaner. Brake cleaner can damage the sensor. Spray generously on wires and plate. From all angles, use 10 to 15 short bursts. Do not touch or wipe the sensor. Let it air dry 5 minutes. Reinstall, reconnect, start engine, ECU relearns. If cleaning doesn't fix it, replace the MAF. Never touch the wires, damage them, and it's done. Like if this helped, subscribe to Auto Clinic for more sensor cleans. Comment your car model. What fixed your MAF? Part of our sensor series. Watch O2 next.